You don't have to, you don't want to. So,
Yes, you.
oh, shit.
I sneeze and I close my eyes.
I'm thinking I should get that salad. Refrigerator. Swerving. Man, stick something in your nose and get rid of the tingle, man. Alright, here comes that turn now.
Hoy me vino a ver el principal. ¿Tú te imaginas que me dieron un ataque de sneezing while he was there?
Yeah.
I guess I would just crack up. He's like, sorry, Mr. Black, but I'm sneezing.
Okay.
I sneezed about 15 times.
That was a sneezing fit.
Oh,